Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. In this week's tutorial, I'm just showing you how to hide the Divi Builder button in the classic WordPress editor. So the reason you would want to do this, if you're using the classic editor on a specific post type, you probably don't want anyone to accidentally click the Use the Divi Builder button. So I'm going to show you how to hide that button using a CSS code snippet, as well as show you in our Divi Assistant plugin. So here's an example website where I have the events calendar plugin, and this event here I am using the classic editor because that's kind of the best way to use the events calendar. If you're familiar with it, you'll know what I mean. If you're familiar with our Divi events calendar, that works with that. So here is this purple button, Use the Divi Builder. I don't want anyone to click that. I want to have my event description right here. And if I don't want the Divi Builder enabled because I'm already using a theme builder template for this. So I have this using the classic editor in WordPress. So we're going to hide this button. Now it's as simple as me going to Divi Assistant if I have that installed, and going to Utility Helper, to the editor, and there's an option right in here, Hide Divi Builder button in Classic Editor. So I can just enable that and save the changes and then go back to that event, for example. And just like that, the button is gone and I never have to worry about my client or anyone else accidentally enabling that. Now, if you want to do it with CSS, it's just as easy. You can go over to our blog post. I have that linked in the description below. So scroll down here. Here is the code snippet. You can copy this code. Here I have some instructions where you can paste it. So you can either paste it in Divi Assistant or you can paste it in Divi Theme Options right here, like this. Or you could put it in your child theme. And either way, you are going to have that button hidden. And another related feature that is so helpful, in Divi Assistant, we have this option to enable the classic editor per post type. So, we don't have this option otherwise. So you could enable it for like events like I did, or on posts or pages, whatever. And then some will use, the classic editor, some will use the block editor, or the Divi editor. So that's a really cool feature. We actually do have a blog post on this topic. If I go over here to our blog and type this in, how to enable the classic or block editor per post type in Divi. So you can come over here and check that out. We have the tutorial about that and the PHP code if you want to use that. Or of course you can use Divi Assistant. So that was kind of a bonus. It relates to the other one because it's referring to the classic editor, which you may or may not be using. If you want to be using it, there you go. That helps you use it on a specific post type. All right, hope you enjoyed that tutorial. We have hundreds of them on our channel. So if you subscribe, you'll get notified when we release a new one. All right, we'll see you all in our next video.